Hello guys, how are you doing today? I hope that you are doing awesome job. In today's video I will show you how to speed up some video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. First thing that you need to do is of course open CapCut. For the sake of this video I will open let's say this project. I have some random video from camera roll here. And if you want to speed up your video, I hope that you already have the video ready. Just click on split located right here and the part when you want it to end. Select it, click on speed, normal, and let's say I want it 2.9 times as fast. As you can see now when I click on resume, it is sped up right there. And if I split it here and go to speed and select 0.5, let's say 6, okay, it will be sped, normal, and slowed down. You can play with this however you want, and that would be all for today's video. I hope that it was helpful to you. If it wasn't, click like. If it was, click like. That's all that I have to tell you. Until next one, bye.